Introducing IMS, or Inspection Management Services, is a sophisticated software solution designed to streamline the entire process of planning, executing, and managing inspections across a wide array of industries. By leveraging advanced tools and automation, IMS plays a crucial role in ensuring regulatory compliance, maintaining quality control, and significantly improving operational efficiency. Key roles in IMS. IMS operates seamlessly through well defined roles, ensuring transparency and accountability at every stage of the inspection lifecycle. Coordinator acts as the primary driver of the inspection process, acts as a bridge between the client, inspector, and technical coordinator, responsible for managing notifications, assigning inspections, and overseeing progress. Technical coordinator reviews and analyzes documents submitted by clients and inspectors, provides professional suggestions and feedback. If required, often steps into the role of the inspector. Inspector, the individual responsible for performing the inspection at the designated site, delivers flash reports and inspection reports post-inspection. Admin manages the system users, including employees, clients, and inspectors, serves as the key point of contact for administration-related activities. Business oversees the entire IMS platform at a strategic level, has access to dashboards showcasing employee statistics, graphical insights, and company-wide progress. How IMS works. The operation of IMS is designed to ensure smooth collaboration between clients, coordinators, technical coordinators, and inspectors while bringing efficiency and accuracy to the process. Upon receiving a notification from the client, the coordinator logs into IMS and adds the notification to the system. Using the map feature in IMS, the coordinator identifies suitable inspectors nearby. This tool enables accurate localization through color markers like in-house inspectors, freelance inspectors, partner inspectors. If preferred inspectors are unavailable or busy, the coordinator can publish the inspection as an open opportunity. This automatically triggers emails notifying all qualified inspectors in the designated location. Once an inspector confirms availability, the coordinator assigns a technical coordinator to review the inspector. The technical coordinator logs into the IMS platform, reviews the inspector's CV and certifications, evaluates the candidate using the PQR form, and provides feedback to the coordinator. The coordinator submits the reviewed CV and credentials to the client for final approval. After receiving approval, the coordinator organizes further documents from the client and assigns them to the technical coordinator for a thorough review. The technical coordinator ensures all documents are complete and may request missing items if needed. The coordinator and technical coordinator collaboratively prepare the following. Contract review. To ensure contractual accuracy for the inspection, inspection advice form. A comprehensive guideline provided to the inspector regarding the inspection process. The inspector performs the inspection on site following the guidelines outlined in the inspection advice form. At the conclusion of the inspection, the inspector submits flash report, a preliminary inspection summary, inspection report, the final detailed report. The coordinator reviews the reports from the inspector and assigns them to the technical coordinator for further suggestions or adjustments. The coordinator relays updates back to the inspector as required, and the process continues iteratively until the inspection concludes. Conclusion. IMS revolutionizes the way inspections are managed by offering a centralized, efficient, and transparent solution. By automating critical steps, providing real-time updates, and ensuring precision at every level, IMS helps businesses optimize their resources, maintain client satisfaction, and stay ahead in terms of quality and compliance.